Today we are going to be sewing a super cute hot pad. You aren't going to need a lot of material for this. It's easier than you think and it sews up super quick. All right, for this pattern you are going to need 4 squares. They're all going to be the same size, as well as a piece of batting and a lining and backside piece. The first thing you're going to do is take all of these 4 pieces and you are going to fold them in half diagonally and give them a good press. Now that we have our 4 pieces all folded and pressed, we are going to work with these pieces. I'm going to lay down the back side of the hot pad. I'm going to lay my batting right on top, and then right sides facing out, I am going to lay my lining down. What I'm going to do is take this over to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch from corner to corner diagonally just to secure these 3 layers together. Before taking this over to the machine and stitching it, I'm going to draw a line from corner to corner. Just very faint and light, just be light-handed on this line. You just really want something to follow when you take it over to the machine to stitch. Then I'm going to go ahead and just clip this in place so all my pieces stick together. I don't want anything shifting. If I need to, you can trim this before so they're all the same size, but I am just gonna now take it over to the machine and I'm going to stitch from corner to corner following that drawn line. Now if you want to, you could do some more stitches, some more quilting lines if you wanted to, but it's not needed. So the next thing we're going to do, I'm going to use a larger ruler and I'm just going to square this block up. It's just a lot easier if we do this before the next step. So that way when we start lining up our folded triangles, everything lines up really nice along the edges and it's easy to know where things go. With that all squared up, the next step is to take our triangles and place them in each corner. So we're just going to go around all 4 sides. And when we place this last one, it goes right here, but we are going to reach under this first one and put it underneath. So now we need to make some adjustments, making sure our edges are all lined up straight. With that done, we are going to just either pin or clip the corners because you don't want these triangles shifting when you set it down to sew. So make any adjustments that you need right now and clip them in place. All right, with this all in place and clipped, ready to go, you are going to stitch all the way around all 4 sides of the square. You're going to reach right in here and with your thumb and kind of push that corner out with your finger. You're going to repeat that with the next corner. So I reach in with my thumb, get my finger on there and push it back out. Going to find, you're going to kind of dig around in here, find the next corner and push it out, and the last corner and push it out. If you need, you can use a stiletto or something. Even a pencil works well. Just be careful that you don't push your tip through the corner and make a hole. But you can kind of go around all four corners and push those out. The next thing you're going to do is give this a really good hot press. Now we're all done, and that is how you make kind of a spinning hot pad. This is perfect for just throwing on the counter and using when you need just a smaller hot pad.